How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Let me get this heater off real quick. It's a little noisy. Okay, so we are going to, I don't know, just work on a lot of things. First thing we're going to do is work on the small block Chevy here for a second. Now, after I did the video the other day, I totally forgot the windage tray because I put the oil pump on, bolted it down. Then I noticed the little tray was down there, so I was like, crap, gotta get all that on. Well, put it on. Then I went to put the oil pan on. Let me go ahead and put this on, and I'll show you the issue. Alright, so there it's on. Normally, before I put the windage tray thingy on there, it was fine. Well, now, it doesn't sit flat. There is a, 1/4 inch gap, give or take. Now let me take this back off. That gets stuck. So there's 1/4 inch gap. Well, you can kind of see right there. It's dented there and dented there. Well, let me set that one here. Hold on. Don't want to just set. Get a shirt or something. Okay. Come on. Got shirts in here. Rags. Set that there. Don't want to touch this. Whatever. So, stock one that came off, aftermarket. I mean, from a distance, they look identical. Well, when you really get up and close and look at them, you can see here's the hole and how far it is away from the rib. It's about 3/16 inch away from this rib. Well, this one is actually cut into the rib. And then this one is about 1/4 inch away from the rib. And over there, it's about 3/16 away from the rib. So basically, the holes are off. So the holes do not line up with these two bolts right here. Aftermarket, whatever, not a big deal. So what I'm going to do is I've got Dremel with a burr on it, and I'm going to basically just oblong the holes out and make them a little bit bigger on the back side, and they should work fine. So let me get that. I'm not going to sit there and video it because burr and that, it's a lot of noise. So headphones on and just, a couple minutes of work. So let me get that. I'll show you the end process, and that should work because they're just hitting a little bit. So let me get on that. I'll tell you, I have built, I don't know how many small block Chevys before. Quite a few. This is the first time I have constantly had issues. The other day with the fuel pump, or I mean not the fuel pump, the oil pump, and the pickup tube not fitting. Well, now, the oil pan. It's a bigger issue than what I thought. There's a difference. I ordered this through Summit. This is a small block Chevy, you know, oil pan. Small block Chevy. I mean, this is supposed to be an OEM part. No different between the two. Well, obviously, there's already a difference. You know, the holes, all that kind of stuff. I mean, I understand nothing's perfect. Well, I bored the holes out. They fit perfect now. No big deal. Well, then I put it on and it almost laid flat, but just didn't. Well, so I put it on and I started to push on it, and then I spun the crank over, and there's a mark, there's a mark, there's a mark. And those marks are from here, here, and here. The freaking crank is hitting the oil pan. So, needless to say, I'm extremely ticked off here. So what I did, set them on the garage floor, put level across that one, bubbles in the middle. Knock a tire over. Let me take the GoPro off this mount so I can get it real low. So, sitting on this one, and it's level. Then you come over here, and what, 1/4 of an inch, maybe more. The whole thing is just different. I mean, I know that motor came out of a 99, about to say 95, the truck's a 95. So that motor came out of a 99 Suburban. Yes, it's still a small block Chevy. That one was for 99, basically for that motor. I mean, a 99 pro-tec small block Chevy. Yeah, it's not at all. Like I say, I am having nothing but issues with this motor. Getting parts. Losing my mind. I do not want to use this oil right here. Can make it look good. But at the same time, I really just don't want to freaking use it because it's just bad. But at the same time, that oil pan was $40. And, well, I've already ruined it. So, hey, needless to say, I really don't want to spend another $40. But, I don't know. It's already late. I'm sitting here working just because to do something because I was bored. So I think tomorrow I need to stop by the store. After work, I'm going to swing by the store and pick up some, cleaner, because, brake cleaner, all that kind of stuff, so I can really start to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead, clean the oil pan up, give it a once over, look it over, and see if there's anything really majorly wrong with it. If not, guess I'm going to go ahead and reuse it. Clean it up, maybe pound that down out a little bit. We'll see. With the oil feed tube, I need to get my calipers out, which my battery's dead in my calipers, and I want to measure that hole precisely because there is 2 different holes. Go figure. Need to get my calipers out, measure that hole, get it at the right diameter, so that way I know exactly what size it is. And when I order my cam, I'll go ahead and order my new pickup tube, so that way I'll have parts to do that. So basically, probably about 2 to 3 weeks, I'll order the cam, I'll order the pickup tube. I'll work on that here at another day. So needless to say, we can get this small block starting to wrap it up on the bottom end for the short block. Like I say, I ain't having no luck with this motor. Oh well. Let's get on to something different for the day. Well, my favorite motto, it's the next day. I got busy after, got a little busy after I started getting irritated with the motor. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a break. Well, then I got busy. Then I started playing PlayStation. Yeah, it just, my night just went gone real quick. And like I said, my luck has been crap lately. Because this morning, get up to go to work. Jeep has remote start. Hit it to remote start. It started. Then a little bit later, it shuts off. And now also my check engine light's on. And remote start is disabled. Like I say, things just ain't going my way lately. It's alright, we're gonna get it all fixed. But first, we're on the way down to rescue my brother. Cause, alright, right here, 43rd left. Cause his truck is dead. Alright, so now it's somewhere around here. Looking for a big white ass truck. Oh, there he is. So, my brother just called me and was like, hey, my battery's dead. So, now we're on the way to rescue him. Like I say, things just ain't going right. Alright, well let me get out, because I don't know what side my battery's on and what side his is on.
I'm on this corner.
You're on that corner. I don't know where I'm at. Alright. Underneath there. Remove for access to the battery.
Nice.
Nice. All right, you're on.
I'm on the driver's side.
All right, cool. Fun. I should mess with them. Oh, damn it. He has jumper cables. You got jumper cables? I was gonna mess with you and be like, oh shoot, I forgot mine. But I grabbed mine. They're in the back, just in case.
Hey, just as I saw you, that funky colored GMC that drove by,
Yeah.
he's like, you waiting, you need a jump or something? I was like, our brother's right there.
Yeah. All right, well now, gotta remove this, gotta remove that. Voila.
Yay! Alright.
Oh, that sounds nice. Something in there. That battery timer looks like shit. Alright, I'll get back to you later. Alright, well, he's up and running. Well, and there he is right there. So, his battery's dead. Going to the store, get him a new battery. Well, it's getting, I won't say it's late, but it's already getting dark, and unfortunately, I have to go to bed within 2 hours because I have to get up the butt crack of freaking dark 30 to go to work. Because, yay, my boss doesn't know how to manage. Alright, well, we're going to call this video a day. We're going to get back to working on the 1J and cleaning that up and a couple other things in the next video. So, hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Catch you in the next video.